Recognize the scholars, yani ulema, and spiritual leaders, also known as monks, peers, and saints, who are devouring your wealth. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Tawbah, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا O you have believed إن كثيرا من الأحبار والرهبان ليأكلون أموال الناس بالباطل Indeed, many of the scholars and monks devour the wealth of people unjustly. وَيَصُدُّونَ عَن سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ and avert them from the way of Allah. Allah Almighty revealed this nearly 1450 years ago, that many scholars and peers unjustly take the wealth of people, and sadly this is exactly what continues today. Yet this happens because people have neither read the Quran nor studied its meaning. As a result, they fall prey, while these scholars and peers greedily seize their wealth and lead them astray. O servants of Allah, open and read the Quran and Hadith. Seek knowledge and free yourselves from these exploiters. They have strayed from the path of Islam.